back to my YouTube channel. This is Banky Strategy. And right now, guys, in this video today, I want to show you how you can make up to 50k or up to 200k daily. How you can make up to 50k in just one arbitrage doing. Just doing an arbitrage, that is, you buy low and you sell high. So yeah, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, if this is your first time on this channel, please do and hit that subscribing button so that anytime I drop another video opportunity like this, you will be the first person to see the video notification on your phone screen. You will be the first person. And please don't forget to like this video. So right now, this platform I have for you today, I am going to reveal the name. I'm going to reveal the name of the app to you at the end of this video. So what we are doing today is an arbitrage. We will buy and we will sell through the P2P, through the P2P. But on this platform, on this app, it is called OTC. So this is it, OTC. So this is what we are going to do. I'm going to do everything to you and you are going to see it. So this is it. For example, if I click on the OTC here, this is just like Binance, like the others. You can see it, Binance, like the Binance and others. So this is what we are going to do. If you want to select the coin you want to trade on, you click on this drop down button here, you select it. There is Bitcoin here, USDT, Ethereum, EOS, SRP, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, and GUSD. So right now I want to trade through USDT. So I have clicked on USDT right now. So as a P2P trader, this is what we are going to do. I'm going to show you everything. So if you look here, you will see that there are many people that are willing to sell their coin for you. You will see then that there are many people, and also here there are people that want to buy from you. That is, you sell to them. So this is what we are going to do. For example, in this video I'm going to use a something about 200k as an example. So let me find a seller with 200k above. I think someone has sold. Okay, if we look at this person here, you can see that it's selling around from 5,000 to 211,140. And if we look at his trade, this person has made about 120 trade and 97% successful. So let's put it down. Okay, let's click on this person and let's see how many USDT we are going to get if we are to buy 200,000 naira USDT. In my own case, I'm a Nigerian, so in my own case I'm using NGN. So in your own case, you can change the currency. You can change the currency back to your country, this thing, to your country, this thing here. Click up here, you will see a lot of currency there that are accepted. So you just have to select your country currency. But as a Nigeria, I select NGN. So let me click on this person again. So right now, if I click on 200,000, so 200,000 naira will give us this 133.3333 USDT. So let me cut it. Let me now go to my calculator and show you something. So here I am in my calculator. So now let me put in 200,000 here. So let's see. So as you can see right now, you can see it that I am buying from this person, but in this P2P, I am going to show it to you the way you are going to do it so that people will buy it from you instead of you coming here to buy. You are not going to buy. You are going to place an AD, that is, you want to sell. If you have up to that, up to one 333 something USDT, that is 133.3333, something like this, that get up to $200. If you have up to it, so your own, you are going to place it as a sell. So when people comes to you, when people comes to this place, they are going to buy from you. They are going to buy from you. You are going to sell your USDT. So your USDT will be here. All these people that are their own is here. As you can see, buy, sell. So all these people here, they place it as a sell order on their AD. They place it as a sell order, so it will show us as a buy to visitors, to market, to people that want to buy. But if they want to buy, it's going to be on sale. So right now I am on sale right now. So I have input 200k. That is, I want to I want to sell 200,000 naira. I want to sell 133.3333 USDT. So right now, if we look here, we will see a good seller here. 120. This person is selling at the rate of 120, still high. We can still get from this person. This person rate is very low. This person also rate is very low. So we can buy, we can place our sell, our buy order under this price we are seeing here. I am going to show you. I know right now you are still confused, but I am still going to show it to you very well. So, for example, let me tell you something. For example, let's say we want to make money through this strategy. This is what you are going to do. Your trade, as a, if you have about 133.333 USDT, which is about 200,000 naira right now, you are going to place an AD as a sell. So when you place an AD as a sell on this platform, on this app, it will reflect as a buyer, as a buy here. All these people you see here, they place their AD as a sell. That is, they have a USDT they want to sell. So it will shows to people under buy option here, under buy option. But if they want to sell, if they want to buy USDT, for example, if you want to buy USDT to do this business, you are going to place an AD to buy. So your AD to buy will show as a sell to people. It will show as a sell to people. So as you can see, people here, they want to buy. So if you have USDT, you come here, you sell. That is, you sell to them. So for example, let's say we use, as you can see, this person rate is high, so we want to sell very fast. If we want to sell very fast, we are going to place our own. We can put it as 120.80, like 120.99. Okay, we can put it like that. So our own AD will be above this person here. So, but for example, let me use this person as an example for you. So this person you see here can make, let me use this person as an example for what we are doing right now. So this person, for example, let's say this person sell is buy its USDT at the rate of 1120.89, which will be this. Let's see it. Oh, 1000, 133.3333. So this is it. As you can see, this is the same USDT that we buy at the rate of 200,000 naira. But this person, as a uh as a vendor, this person as a vendor is buying it at the rate of 149,497 naira. So let's see it. Let's see something. Copy it. Let me copy this amount. Let's see how much this person is currently making. As you can see, this person will make about 50,502 naira only on the this thing on one trade. Only on one trade. As you can see, this person is making about 50,000 naira only on one trade with just 200,000 naira. Let me show it to you. Let me show it to you very clearly in case you did not understand me. So let me show you something. Okay, let me show you something. So firstly, if we click up here, we are going to place an offer, post an offer, click on post an offer. Now click on post fiat offer. Now this is it. This is it. But you still have up to, you need to have up to $120 before you can post an offer. But right now I just want to do an example for you what I am telling you. So for example, let's say I want to place my order, I want people to sell USDT to me. That is, people that go to the sell, that click on sell order, people that sell, they want to sell their USDT. So this is what I am going to do. That is, I want to buy from there. People that want to sell. If you have USDT now that you want to convert to fiat, you will just, all you need to do is to just click on that sell and sell to this person here. That is me now. I will post my offer as a buy. As you can see, you can post this as a buy or sell. So I will post my offer as a buy. That is, I want to buy from the person. I am a vendor. I want to buy from this person. So this is my currency. You can select your currency, change your currency from here. So this is my currency. My currency is NGN. So right now, you can add your payment method here. Add payment method. So when you do that, so you just have to add your payment method, bank transfer. Now, for example, I don't have USDT right now. I don't have USDT. So now this is what how it work. This is how it work. So as a buyer, I want to buy from someone. I can place my USDT at this 1,120.99. So that means I am buy at this rate 1,120.99. So immediately I place this USDT, it will show as a sell order. Sell here. It will show as a sell here. It will show as a sell here. So anybody that want to sell USDT, the USDT they have at hand, they will just come here and they will sell to me. I will just buy it from them. I will buy it from them. So after I buy it from them, I can accumulate as much as I want. After I buy it from them, I will now come back here again and click on this, post my offer again, then change this because I have purchased the amount of USDT I want to purchase. So change this to sell. So immediately I change this to sell, my order will go as a buy. It will show as a buy here. It will show as a buy. That is people, because I want to sell now. Now it will show to people as a buy order. People will now buy from me at the rate that I put. at the rate that I put. People will now buy from me. As you can see, I buy from people at the rate of 1,120 dollars, and I can sell it at the rate of 1,158 dollars, or $1,200, or $1,158. So I will now have a, as we can see, we have already done the math already. I will have a profit of this 50,500 naira, just only on one trading, just only on one trading. And if the market is fast that day, you can do it more than 10 times in a day, more than 30 times if you have the time. For example, let's say you are able to do it more than 10 times in a day. This is what you are going to be getting in a day: 500k, 500,000 naira. So that is what you are going to get in a day. So that is it, guys. That is it. So the name of this app is called CoinCola. You can check the description of this video. You will see the registration link there. You can download the app. Click on the registration link, register it, and you can download the app. It will show you, it will direct you to a place where you can download the app. So guys, thank you for watching, thank you for watching, thank you for being here. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and also share, comment. Also, thank you for being here. Goodbye for now. See you soon on my next video. Goodbye for now.